In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a well-structured document using Google Docs, complete with a professional-looking table of contents. Whether you're preparing a report, writing a thesis, or compiling any document that requires easy navigation, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, let's head over to docs.google.com. If you're already a frequent user, this will be like visiting an old friend, but for newcomers, it's the starting point of accessing Google Docs. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in. Use your Google or Gmail account for this. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to create, and it's a small investment of time for all the features Google Docs offers. After you've logged into your account, you'll see a list of your existing documents. If you have a document in mind that you want to work on, go ahead and open it. If not, starting from scratch is just as simple. Click on the blank document option to begin with a clean slate. With your document open, it's time to start organizing your text format. This is an important step because a well-organized document is not only easier to read, but also more professional. You'll want to decide on the hierarchy of your headings and subheadings. Use heading 2, heading 3, and so on to differentiate each section of your document. This isn't just about aesthetics, it helps in building an effective table of contents later on. Once you've structured your text to your satisfaction, it's a good idea to scroll back to the top of your document. This is where we'll add the navigation guide for your readers. Click on the Insert option in the top menu. This opens up a drop-down list filled with various features that you can include in your document. Scroll all the way down to find Table of Contents. It's located at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Click on it, and you will see several options for the style or format of your table of contents. Select the one that best suits the purpose and style of your document. Each format offers a different way to display your document structure, so choose the one that complements your overall design. Google Docs will automatically generate your table of contents based on the headings you've used, providing a seamless transition and navigation for your readers. And there you have it. You've successfully created a professional, easy-to-navigate document. This final product not only enhances readability, but also showcases the effort and thought you've put into organizing your work. It's as simple as that, and next time you draft a document, you'll be more efficient and perhaps even enjoy the process a bit more. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.